Hi guys, my name is Tara. Today I'm gonna make video of one kind of soup that always my grandma used to make called lentil soup. Hi, this is Tara. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna start cooking lentil soup, so I hope you guys make it at home and enjoy with the family. So now we have 2 cups of lentil. I'm gonna put it in the cup, soak it, leave it until I start preparing the other stuff. Actually, it's better to soak it 1 hour before you're cooking. Okay, that's it. Small pieces. Okay, so when you chop the onion here, you're gonna put it, so you can put first your onion, then you turn on your stove and put a little bit vegetable oil. That's my vegetable oil, to just saute the onion. So I'm gonna cut it in small pieces, 2 pieces of potatoes if you like it. I have customers that 3-4 times a week they come and they just eat my lentil soup. And now I'm gonna cut the carrots, small pieces. Now I'm gonna check my onion. I need it to cook a little bit more to be a goldish color, the onion. These are the spices that we're gonna use in the lentil soup. First, we're gonna put the turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then we're gonna saute it a little bit. Then the lentil. I put all the water that I soak it out. Yes. All the water is draining. Okay, I'm gonna put this, all the lentil. Then I put a little bit pepper, black pepper. Just salt as you wish, any amount of salt and peppers you like. And this is cumin powder. Mix it. Then I put my carrots first, because carrots is a little bit harder than potatoes. And the vegetable broth that I have, I will put like 2 cups of vegetable. Well, actually, I need 4 cups of vegetable broth. 4 cups of vegetable broth. Then I mix it and leave it about 20 minutes to cook. Half cook. Then I put my potatoes. It's 20 minutes past. I'm gonna put the potatoes. I will put a little bit oatmeal. It's like 5 tablespoons. It tastes so good, and it's become like a little bit creamier. Yes, it needs a little bit salt, just like pinch. You know, you have to taste always your food. If it needs more salt, you will add salt in it. It's gonna take another 15-20 minutes to cook, and then when it's ready, we're gonna show you how it looks like. And this is after 20 minutes. Another 5 minutes, this is ready. So now my husband, Faramars, he gonna try and tell me how is this salt and how is it, Frank?
Wow, it's beautiful.
Good?
Awesome.
You like it?
Very.
As usual?
Yes.
Thank you, tasting
Thank
my
you,
food.
Tara. Thank you.
Okay, you saw how I make the lentil soup. It's very easy. It's just take like all together like 45 minutes to make this lentil soup. I hope you guys try it at home, eat it, and enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Enjoy the food. Thank you.